How to delete my Clickbank account. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create Login and Delete. Let's get started. So first come to the official website and type clickbank.com and then click on login. So go ahead and enter your email or your account nickname and then type your password and then click on login. So once you're logged in, you'll see this type of interface. Go ahead and select accounts and then click on the account that you want to delete. So once you select your account nickname, you'll see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on account settings and then click on edit at the very top right corner. So once you click on edit, you'll be directed to my accounts page and just click on close account at the bottom right corner of the account information editor box. So a pop-up will show up where you have to select a reason that you want to close the account. So select what fits you best. If you can't find a reason, go ahead and select other and then click close account button and just confirm your account closure by clicking on OK. So once you close your account, it cannot be reactivated and you'll receive an email confirming that you have closed your Clickbank account. So this is how to delete your Clickbank account. Thanks for watching till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.